Ravi Nandi. I'm presenting my Capstone project for 5-day AI agent intensive course with Google that I build a simple multi-agent system called Smart Travel Planner Agent that I built for part of this project. So the um, main goal of this project is to just to showcase like how you can get a travel itinerary using the sustainability or sustainable ways like low carbon footprint ways of travel planning. Most of the time we do see the travel planner does optimize for either for cost or more convenient, but I like barely see like it can give you the options for the sustainability. So this project talks about more focus on the Go Green initiative where you can find these travel places between like more optimized OS where you can actually produce low carbon footprint like to in from the greener choices. Um, so part of this agent is use a multi-agent system where you can use these multi tools, using the custom tools using by public APIs to get this real time flight search or hotel search. If you go longer distance, that will give you the flight searches as well. But if you just mostly drivable, like drivable distances, like most of the time it gives option for the electric. And then what is the green hotels or restaurants, it also can find the restaurant recommendation with the price and rating. Um, so objective of this to just to give you to build this agent so that you give you the travel itineraries with sustainable ways. So little bit on the architecture. So I have used multi-agent, as I mentioned. Like this, I have a root agent that can talk to our multi tools, like for weather you get a weather, like for example hotel search, I use a hotel search tool, flight search tool, restaurant tool, like that. And then main model is the itinerary planning that you can use as a sub model, a sub agent, or using as agent tool. Here in this case I have use as agent tool that can using the Google Gemini um, J, uh, GenAI model that feeds to all the data, and then it can produce a sustainable travel plan for you. So I also use public APIs and then Google APIs for directories, finding the route and finding the restaurants as well. And more, some of the public API that have used like hotel search from Media's the public APIs use like the logging planning. So for the observability logging plugin, and also use the memory to session and memory management using the in-memory session services that will give you the at least within the session, like whatever you just start, it can keep your session login. By emission factor, use a CSV file to give you the most convenient ways, like which produce how many carbon dioxide per kilometer of travel. With that, let me go back to so I've documented all of this including the readme file, how to set up those and what libraries is needed, what environment variables needed in the readme files. And then also like you can optimize for the future planning, like the roadmaps would be to use to more robust building the more robust system using some of the MCP servers to travel alerts, safeties like local events, currency exchanges, etc. Now going back to the little bit of demo. So here I'm running this as a local AW like Google ADK. Here web, I just run it in my local, and then this is where I just search what can you do with me, and then give me a full itinerary between San Francisco to London on a specific date. It give me some micro-friendly suggestion. In this case it has to be in the flight, so it cannot tell you like go by the car, right? So here I give you the summary of that, but I said give me full itinerary, so it will give you full itineraries of a breakdown of this 4 days journey, where you actually can what option is available here to, like for example London, you can use tube or walking, right? Some of the places that you can use, like the clipper or river buses, for more eco-friendly options, right? So that will help you to most of the places that you do not know what will be the sustainable options for you, if you really think about the growing initiative, right? So that will help us to plan, like which option I will go for instead of saving cost. Well, take care about the environment, right? So and then ask for some flight option. It will give you real time flight number with timing and some possible price as well. These prices even come back from the sandbox, so it's always when you implement production, so definitely it is to production API, and they'll give you real time prices with the options. So this is another one. Let's say, and this time I go for San Francisco, Las Vegas. Here on December 10th, it will give you a full itinerary. But in this case, if you see, it's giving option like you go more eco-friendly option is just go by the electric car, right? Use electric car in this scenario, right? And it will also give you the what options available to what even hotels that you probably go for, that is Grogin certified. In this case, I said give some hotel options, so it'll actually try to give you some hotel options as well. And then also, of course, give me some restaurant options, that will give you top five hotel options that also supports local businesses and more sustainable ways. And to end with last, and then see if you see, like I asked for what was my last trip, just remember, like this is the one that I asked, but I again asked what was my previous trip. So this definitely shows San Francisco, London, which was my first itineraries that I requested for, right? So this proves that this agent also keep sessions in the memory, so that it knows what you are searching for. Thank you for watching this.